Welcome. If your microphone isn't working on Facebook and people can't hear you in voice messages or live videos, don't worry, this guide will show you exactly how to fix it in just a few quick steps. By the end, your microphone will be up and running perfectly again. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Apps, App Management, or sometimes it's called App Permissions depending on your phone's brand or software version. Next, look through the list of installed apps until you find Facebook. Tap on it to open the detailed settings for the Facebook app. This is where you can control what Facebook has access to, like your camera, contacts, and most importantly, your microphone. Now, tap on Permissions. You'll see a list of features your Facebook app can use. Find Microphone in that list. If it's currently set to deny or don't allow, that's why your mic isn't working inside Facebook. Once you find Microphone, simply tap it and select Allow. This gives Facebook permission to use your microphone whenever needed. Make sure you confirm or exit out properly to save the change. After that, you can open the Facebook app again and test it out. Try recording a voice message in Messenger, starting a live video, or using a voice comment. You should hear your voice clearly now. If it's still not working, double-check that your phone's overall sound and mic settings are enabled, and restart the device just to refresh everything. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn on your microphone for Facebook. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with anyone else having the same issue. Thanks for watching.